Students show their understanding of base 10 blocks in this activity. They draw base 10 symbols, write a number sentence, and explain. This is card number 7. Card number 7 shows 3 tens. Each one is 10. So 3 tens and 5 units or 5 ones. And base 10 symbol for tens is this long stick, and it's called 10 long. And this is this represents units, and we call it unit. So I make 3 10 longs for 3 tens and 5 dots for 5 units. And the number sentence would be 3 tens is 30 plus 5 is 35. Here I explain saying that 3 tens and 5 ones make 35. Let's take another card. Card number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens and 6 ones. 9 tens is 90 plus 6 ones is 96. 9 tens and 6 ones make 96. One last one. Card number 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 longs. 7 10 longs and no ones. There are no units. So this is 70 plus nothing is 70. 7 tens and 0 ones make 70. Directions help students work on this activity independently. Teacher exemplar sets expectations, and answers provide immediate feedback.